and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Expobar espresso machine. The customer had problems with the machine overheating periodically, and the most common reason for this is a bad pressure stat, and we replaced the pressure stat. This one's kind of a cheap model, so we put a much more durable one in there. And so even if you didn't need a new pressure stat, you have a better quality one in there now. The bottom is brass. And let's see. So yeah, let's go ahead and pour a shot. So yeah, we're getting a nice shot with a little over 9 bar of pressure from the pump. You can see the pressure stat is at about 1.2. This is a good level for strong steam. As you can see, hot water. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.